Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today we're going to be talking about these wigs. Okay, so if you would like to see me try these wigs on and see whether they look good straight out of the pack or not, because I don't like to do all this little extra glue and stuff that people be doing these days. If you're here for that, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to check out my website, lavidarosastyle.com, where you can find cute accessories like the ones I'm wearing right now. And without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, you guys, so I ordered these 3 wigs from Amazon. I was looking for some like ash blondish colors, because usually, you know, when you're looking up synthetic wigs, when it's blonde, it's usually like a honey blonde or like a warm tint, and I have plenty of those. So I wanted some that were more like ash blonde. I feel like that color tends to look a little bit better on me. So I found some. Now, before we get started, I want to let y'all know, I know these days people like to melt their wigs. They like to make sure they glue them down, do the baby hair, all that. I am not really here for all that. So if you're here for that, you're probably at the wrong place. I'm looking for wigs that I can wear without having to do all that. That still looks fairly realistic. Now maybe one of these days I'll try to do that. I'll, like, you know, glue it, lay it, do all that, do the baby hair and everything. But today that's not necessarily the priority for me. Now this is the first wig. I'll put the picture up that they put on Amazon, because I know sometimes they could be a little tricky with that. It comes in a bag like this. Here's the wig straight out of the pack. Upon first glance, it has like that more honey blonde like I was talking about earlier, but I'm really not mad at it. I like the way it looks so far before I try it on. It comes with a pair of hoop earrings and a message, cute little message. It also comes with a weaving cap. This is the wig inside. There are 2 combs on the sides, and yeah, 2 adjustable straps. So I be having a lot going on up under my wigs. I always put it on the last one, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on. Ooh, okay, hold on. This wig is not big head friendly. I can say that from the jump. Not big head friendly. My hair is braided under here, but child, this wig cap is tight. Hold on. Okay, I think this is gonna take some picking out. Let me get my little afro pick. This is cute though. Like, this is cute so far. It just needs to be like shaped. I don't know about y'all, but I don't even like too much definition in my like real natural hair. So definitely I want my wigs to have plenty of volume, and I don't really care about the definition at all. I feel like, especially with wigs, the less definition, the better, the more realistic it looks. You know what I'm about to do? I think that'll help. And I'm gonna pick some out from the root here. You know, sometimes, especially with afro wigs, you gotta be a little rough. You know what I'm saying? Because it's a lot to tame. But I'm just picking everything out from the root like I would my hair. I'm gonna be a little bit more rough with this wig than I would my hair, but sometimes you gotta attack wigs, you know. I'm gonna cut a little bit off the bottom because I want it to be a little bit more rounded out. Like I said, it's not big head friendly. It is a very small cap, so keep that in mind. Yeah, other than that, there wasn't really much shedding. It's not as light as I thought it would be. I still like it. I'm still gonna wear it, especially if I pick it out a little bit more. It looks very realistic. Y'all, I love this. This is so cute. It's really reminding me of Austin Powers Gold Member. It was really affordable as well, so I'm not mad at this. So let's move on to the next wig. So this is the next wig This is the Janet Collection Melt wig in the style D. And y'all can screenshot that if y'all want to. So I really like the color. See, this is more so the color I was talking about. This is like an ombre though. Like the root is like I would say like a chocolate brown, and then it goes down into like sort of like a ash blonde and a lighter ash blonde. This wig is supposed to be pre-plucked, pre-customized with a natural hairline, which is perfect for me. Less work for me. I don't have to do as much work. Natural deep parting lace space for styling naturally. Adding baby hairs to complement the look. Soft Swiss lace, perfect for any meltdown with any lace adhesive, which we will not be doing today. I did learn from the girls off TikTok that instead of cutting the hairline, you should use one of these little razors. So that's what I'm about to do real quick. Okay, there are 2 combs in the front and there's 1 comb in the back and adjustable straps. So this wig pretty much, you know, it's a single part, but it has a little bit of parting space. That's the hairline. It does look very natural. Let's see how it looks on my head. Ooh, this ain't big head friendly either. What is up with these non-big head friendly wigs? They about to squeeze the life out of my head. Whew, that's tight. Okay, this is how the hairline looks. Oh, that looks pretty natural. That's looking pretty natural. You know, I'm liking that so far. I found a wig cap, and I'm just gonna add some of this so I can make it my color in the front. Whew, this is taking a lot more than I thought it would. Y'all, that looks so real. Oh my goodness, that looks so, that hairline looks so real. Like for real. Oh my goodness. This is like one of the like best hairlines I've ever had in a synthetic wig, for real, for real. And the wig itself, oh my goodness, this is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna fluff this out a little bit too. Yes, wait a minute. Okay. You can make it as big or as small as you want. You know, I like to have a little volume. The color and just the fullness. And I'm really liking this, y'all. This is so cute. The color is perfect. Like, it looks very natural. There's not much shedding. There's very little shedding. Haven't had much shedding at all. The hairline is perfect. It really does look pre-plucked. It really does look melted. This is an awesome hairline. I really didn't even have to do anything. All I did was cut the lace. That's it. That's it. And I told y'all at the beginning, that's really all I wanted to really have to do. And the layering, I feel like it's a little bit chunky up top. I like the way it's framing my face a little bit, but I feel like it might be a little bit too long, and I might cut this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut the bottom off a little bit, because just the way this is sitting versus this, it kind of looks like a blunt cut here and then a blunt cut there. So I'm gonna even this out. I don't care about the length as much. Yes, okay, I like that so much more. Okay. I love cutting the curly hair because it's so much easier to cut. Yes, okay, I like this so much better. It was just looking thin on the bottom. I feel like it was weighing the wig down, so I'm glad I cut it because it lifted it up and gave it some bounce and movement. I love the color, but the cut is what was throwing me off, and now that I cut it, it's like, this is perfect. I love it. It's so cute. It's really like moving. It's giving you very realistic by the hairline. Oh my goodness. It does come with baby hairs, but like I said, I'm not worried about that right now. So, but if you do want baby hairs, it does have baby hairs. Girl, this looks so realistic though. Like, it looks so good. It almost like it could be coming out of my scalp. You know what I'm saying? Especially like the more you play with it. Y'all, I love it. Especially for the price, I feel like this is so worth it. The hairline is perfect and the color is so pretty. You know, when it comes to synthetic wigs, the blondes can be very iffy, but I feel like this one is very cute. And yeah, I would definitely recommend getting this one as well. Now, the cap is tight, so it's not big head friendly at all. Yeah, I give this one an A. But yeah, I would love to hear what y'all think, so y'all let me know what y'all think down below. So let me move on to the last wig. So this is the last wig straight out of the pack. Oh, I love the color already, y'all. I already know I'm gonna love this color. It's so soft. Oh my goodness, this is so soft. Okay, so here is this wig. It's the Neesha Soft and Natural. Y'all can screenshot that. And it's in the color DRFF2 Butterscotch. Y'all, this color is fly. This color, I can already tell. The reason why I even picked this wig is because I love the cut when I saw it on the website. I'm guessing this is the Neesha collection. They have a bunch of cute styles here. So it is a pre-plucked Swiss lace, natural texture. It does look like it's like a very like kinky straight type of wig, and that's sort of something else that I really wanted to. I always like for my wigs to have a little bit of texture. I feel like the bone straight is cute, but I feel like it doesn't look as good as the kinky straight because, you know, my natural hair texture is kinky. So there are 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. As y'all can see, it's like a single part, and it has a little bit of, you know, free space up front, maybe like an inch or so with the lace. But it's pretty much just like one part. So let me show you the hairline. Ooh, the hairline's looking good already. Okay. Okay, this is another one that's not big head friendly, so I don't know what's up. I don't know why they started making these caps so much tighter. Or maybe my head done got bigger. I don't know. But I didn't used to have to squeeze wigs on my head like this. So the hairline isn't looking as natural as the other wigs. I mean, it doesn't look bad, y'all. And I would want the part to look more natural on a straight wig than I would the curly. You know what I'm saying? With the curly, you could play around a little bit, but with this straight, it's like you want that to be looking natural. Okay, it has a little bit of baby hair, not much, but you really don't need much. Y'all, I also noticed that the lace was a little light, so I'm gonna put some powder on the lace too so it can blend a little bit better. Okay, it looks a little bit better now that I put some powder on it. It looks way better actually. Adding that powder changed the game. It changed it. It changed it. It changed it. At least for me. I don't know. Did it change it for y'all? Let me brush this out a little bit. Y'all, this hair is brushing like it's real hair. It feels so real. See, I'm gonna wear this wig just like this. So I don't plan on doing too much more tweaking. Maybe I'll add a little bit more powder. I don't have my brush with me, so I'm gonna have to do it like that. But yeah, add a little bit more powder. And child, this wig is good to me. Oh my goodness, I didn't have to do too much plucking. I didn't have to do any plucking. This wig is so cute. I love the layering. I love the coloring. It's very consistent throughout with the color. The color is perfect. It's perfect. Like, you get the highlights in the front, the little chunky highlights in the front, and then, you know, it's a little like low lights and like ash blonde color in the back. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Y'all, this is like, I feel like this wig probably should cost more. I feel like this wig is like, it seems like it would be a very expensive human hair wig. It just, the way it flows. So it comes down to my butt. I'm 5'6", so it comes like right above my butt. You will most likely have to add some powder to the lace because it's very light, but once you add the powder, it looks very good. You might even want to like pluck a little bit more. I'm not. I think that looks good enough for me. Like if I wear it and I really glue it down or whatever, I might like pull down the baby hair or whatever, but y'all, I'm good. I think this is so cute. If I had to grade this, I would definitely give it an A. Definitely. This is perfect. It looks like the picture. Like I said, y'all, my main goal for these wigs is for me to be able to wear it pretty much out of the pack and me not have to do too much to it to make it look the way I wanted it to. All these wigs pretty much did that. I didn't really have to do any plucking. Yeah, I might have had to cut it, but I wouldn't blame that on the wig. I already knew how long the wig was going to be when I cut it. And you always have to like cut things and like, you know, alter things to frame it for your face or just how you like things. So I'm really not mad at any of these wigs. I would recommend y'all buying any of these wigs. The links will be down below. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I bought these wigs with my own money, but y'all let me know which wig do y'all like the best down below. Do y'all agree with my opinions? Also, give me any of your tips on how I can wear these wigs without gluing them down. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.